Alright, here I am back with another computer video. You'd think that my channel is all about computer videos, wouldn't you? This is a system that you've never seen before, or at least not on my channel. This happens to be a Core 2 Quad Q6600 computer. I actually bought it as a Q6600 from a coworker. One of the things about this is the board that was in it, I could not get anything to run stably on. So and then I started having issues with this motherboard, which used to be in my main rig. This is an MSI G41M P26, I believe. I know it's on there, but I think the video card is covering it. This is a GeForce. I want to say it's an 8500 GT. When I boot this thing up, you're going to see just how loud this thing is. No, I don't really care about cable management. That much is probably obvious. But so what this is, got 2 gigs of Kingston HyperX Fury. Well, I don't know about Fury, but HyperX Blue Edition chips in there. So that's 4 gigs of DDR3. Got a weird cooler on there. It actually works fairly well. It does have a fan built in, and then there's the case fan, obviously. Power supply, I don't know. I know it's fully capable of this machine. So, what are we doing today? We're going to just see if it runs, what the hardware is, and I'm going to put Windows 8.1 on it, because for some reason that's now one of my favorite operating systems. Let me turn off the flash. I actually downloaded a new app, camera app, so let's see how this actually runs. So without any further ado, let's power this bad boy up, see what we can find out. I do have a Windows 8.1 flash drive in the system already. Crap. I didn't catch that in time. So I believe it's Escape. Yeah, I ran this motherboard for 2 years. Oh wait, F11. Ran this motherboard for 2 years. It was a good motherboard. I'm going to shut this light off, I think. That way you'll get a better view of the camera and you can see my reflection in there, because that's what this one apparently does. Maybe I'll shut... No, that's not the one doing it. Alright, that's no better either. So it's either no better nor worse, let's just leave it alone. So I guess what I'll do is, am I able to just pause this? I guess I'll find out. Man, that is a loud video card. Actually, it looks like it's about to do something. I was going to say, I'll come back once it's ready to do something. But it's doing that now. And this is the HP W1907. It's actually a really nice monitor. Processor's still nice and cool. And yeah, I never really noticed if it had a pause before. Alright, I guess so. I guess I'll find out when the time comes, won't I? Actually, I gotta fix this chair or get a new one. Alright, I'll come back CD key. I'll come back once this thing's closer to actually running, because I think we all pretty much know how to install Windows 8. If not, let me know. I'll do a tutorial, even though I know there's plenty on YouTube. So I guess I'll be back in a few minutes. I haven't quite figured it out yet, but something is not right. I guess we'll know once we get into Windows. Each step that it's on, it's just taking way longer than it should. I haven't, like I said, I haven't quite figured out exactly what the problem is, because it is still functioning. But yeah, we'll know once we get in Windows. I mean, right now the processor is, this is a Core 2 quad, and it's pretty much ice cold right now. And GPU's cold. Yeah, I guess the GPU is cold. I can feel that. But yeah, so I'm not really sure what it is, and as soon as I know, I'll let you know. I haven't forgotten. We're getting closer. I've already set up the account, so once I get into Windows, I'll let you know. Alright, so I think we're somewhere now. Got the desktop, and well, now I got the desktop. So let's see what we got here. Okay, system. I was trying to hit the wrong thing. Now I'm beginning to wonder if okay, apparently I did actually hit that. So it's gonna come up twice. You didn't see that. So what we got is a Intel Core 2 Quad CPU Q6600, 2.4 GHz, 4 gigs of RAM. It looks like you should be able to read most of that. Let's see here. All 4 cores are working. Ah, crap. It looks like it didn't get my, Alright, so I'm going to go into Microsoft Windows Updates, and I'm going to try to find a driver for that real quick. Alright, so I think this is done restarting and trying to act completely insane. So let's try this. Alright, so it's definitely got the NVIDIA part in. It's changed my aspect ratio, and this is the GeForce 8800. I don't know why I thought 8400 or 8500. It's weird. When I had it in another machine before, it was shown as a 768 meg video card. But it's still better than the onboard video. I think we can all agree to that. So this is a pretty decent working machine right now. Now, alright. So I really don't know what to show on it. Do I have my... You know what? Screw it, I'll do it on Windows or on Internet Explorer. So let's see here. Alright, so that's actually coming up already. I actually uploaded that one from my phone a few minutes ago. So let's see if this works. The main thing is I'm actually shooting this after the video. But, yeah. See, can it handle 1080p? Right now I'm not sure if it's the computer or the network. Something I did want to say on there. On Friday the 19th. Alright, right now it seems like my network is being tied down. As you see, it's not. I'm going to be ordering some stuff. If I scale it down to 720p, which is really what this... I think what I'm ordering will make this type of video far more successful. It'll make it far better to watch rather than having a camera pointed at a screen. Because, you know, I keep the laptop down here. I just do. And I think I'm going to tell you what I'm going to order. And if you know about this type of thing, let me know. What I'm going to order is I'm going to order a VGA to component adapter, and then I'm going to order a USB to component capture device. What I'm going to do is I do have a very high quality VGA splitter, so that I'll be able to view my screen, like the LCD that you're going to see in this video, while at the same time it's going to record into my laptop. And apparently I'm trying to get something off my shirt that's on my screen. Well, yeah, it seems to be a success. I don't know. I've had that problem a couple times where it just doesn't seem to want to work. Like, it just runs really, really slow during installation, but runs just fine once you're in Windows. And let's see. I mean, right now I'm not on an SSD because, you know, I'm not. So let's see how quickly it comes up and shuts down, or shuts down and then comes up. Like I said, this system, when if I am able to do the live stream event, will have, excuse me, the camera hooked to it, and that's what will actually do the live streaming. I was really worried for a little bit because it didn't seem to want to act right. But I think it'll be alright. And I do believe that 4 gigs of RAM should be enough. I'd like to think so, because Windows 8.1 at least seems to be a lot less resource hungry. But yeah, it's already up. I mean, for what the system is, once again, I'll try to remind you, seems to be working pretty darn well. It's the Q6600 quad-core 2.4 with 4 gigs of RAM. Turns out I was an idiot because I had thought that there was another problem with it, and that's not what it was. So, with that being said, I guess I'll go upstairs, piece this all together, because there is no what's the word I'm looking for here? Pause button on this particular camera app. It's just wow, my brain just shut off. Start and stop, and that's it. So Thank you for watching and have a very blessed day.